Dan Hollings The Plan. How to make money from crypto. More and more people are getting into cryptocurrency to make money. But not everyone who tries, ends up succeeding. We like Dan Hollings The Plan, for many reasons, but it's not the only way to earn profits with cryptocurrencies. In a moment, I'm going to tell you about a way to make money from crypto that's even better than the plan. But first let's look at a few of the most popular ways to get into crypto. 1. Find coins that are about to explode. You can do that with new coins that may cost less than a penny. Or, with established coins that are due for a breakout. Will 1 inch explode? What about Render? Or RV? Sushi Swap sounds promising. Or maybe Fetch? Or Illuvium? We don't know which coins will create millionaires, so unfortunately we can't help you there. 2. Buy and hold. This is similar to number 1, finding coins that will go up in value. Except this approach requires more patience. Bitcoins cost around $40,000 each, but some experts think a Bitcoin could reach $100,000 or higher by the end of 2022. And, maybe even $1 million by the end of the decade. There are thousands of different coins. Some will eventually become very valuable. You just need to do your research, then prepare to hodl. 3. Be a cryptocurrency miner. Cryptocurrency mining means verifying Bitcoin or other coin transactions, to get rewarded with crypto tokens. Besides Bitcoin, you can mine Raven Coin, or Monero, or Litecoin, or Ethereal and many others. It may cost you a few hundred, up to $10,000 for Bitcoin mining equipment. Bitcoin mining is very competitive. Also, Bitcoin mining uses a lot of energy, so it's important to have a cheap source of renewable energy. Becoming profitable may depend on the price of Bitcoins increasing a lot. Whichever coin you mine, it's important to run your numbers, to see if you can make a profit. 4. Be a day trader. Forget about buy and hold. Every day, day traders look for immediate profit-making opportunities. They use screening software and trading simulators to find and take advantage of short-term movements of crypto token prices. They don't need a margin account, like they would in the stock market. And crypto markets are always open. So you could be a night trader if you wanted. But, crypto markets are volatile and risky. To be a successful crypto trader, you need to have a good understanding of crypto and crypto trading. 5. Play crypto games. What could be better than getting paid to play? Many play-to-earn games pay out in cryptocurrencies or NFTs. Some of the more popular games include Axie Infinity, Silks, Space Misfits, Doge Dash, Decentraland and The Sandbox. Crypto games require time to play, so this is not a way to make passive income. But, if you're willing to work a 40-hour week, a game like Doge Dash may pay you as much as $200,000 per year. Of course that depends on the value of a Doge Dash token. Playing crypto games is risky, because of the uncertainty of the value of the coins or NFTs you receive. And you can't get back the time you spend playing. 6. Buy and trade NFTs. Non-fungible tokens are blockchain verified, unique digital art, music or videos. Purchasing NFTs can be attractive, if they come with a low price point, with the potential to gain value over time. The NFT market is speculative. You might make a lot of money, no money, or even fall victim to scams or counterfeits. 7. The plan. What's different and special about the plan? It's one of the safest ways to make money from crypto. It doesn't require you to know much about cryptocurrencies. And, it's hands-off, once you get started. As promised, here is a way to make money from crypto that's even better than the plan. Become your own bank and lend crypto. Why is this method better than the plan? Because it lets you double dip. If you are holding your favorite crypto long-term, waiting for a good time to sell, you can earn interest on the crypto that you were planning to hold anyway. Usually, borrowers must provide some amount of cryptocurrency to stake as collateral. This reduces your risk as a lender. Popular lending platforms are Accrue, Crypto.com, BlockFi and Nexo.
Warren Buffett famously said investors should be fearful when others are greedy, and greedy when others are fearful. Want to know how to handle fear and greed with the plan? Check out our next video to find out how.